Welcome back to the Magical Mayhem. Today we're going to use something that I get a lot of requests of. Kids look into my bag, they're not looking into my bag, and they see this. And that's what they want. Today I thought I'd show you something really quick and simple that you could put on your head. That's right, a hat. I start out with these beautiful new colors. Qualitex Chrome. Isn't that beautiful? I'll show you what I got here. I use these all the time. And of course, nobody wants the regular colors anymore. They want the chrome. Chrome is where it's at. Chrome. Everybody wants the chrome. Anything I make, they want chrome. It's almost to the point where I don't even carry regular colors anymore. I carry the chrome. All right, so this is the hat. Very simple to make, very easy. I just use 6 different colors here. Colors of the rainbow. Just twist 2 balloons together. Interlock them. Make sure they just don't come apart. And then 2 more. Doesn't matter which ones, just interlock any one of them. Twist, interlock, interlock. That's 4, this is 6. Take 2 and just interlock them. Just run it through a couple times to make sure that they're not gonna come apart. So now we got 3 sets of 2 each. And all I'm gonna do now, I'll start with these 2, is I'm going to interlock these 4. It's just a matter of making a big mess and just twisting and twisting and twisting. They're not gonna come apart. Take the other 2 and twist, same thing. You can do this, you can make this. If you can make a big mess, you're good. Just a matter of locking them in. They're not gonna come apart. Now I've got this whole big mess. Now, just measure the hat size. Make sure you can see my hat size. Right about there. And you get this. It's easy if you squeeze it a couple times. And you're just going to make a big twist here. And now, just interlock them. Interlock them, that way it doesn't come apart. I used to not interlock them, but they would come apart at some point. It doesn't look good. So just take the extra time, interlock the balloons, make sure it's not gonna go into there. So you're left with this. Now you can leave it like that. It's not too bad. Kind of gives it like that starburst look. What I like to do is I like to get a balloon, bend it, and snap it. So I snap one this way, and I'm gonna snap the other one this way. So now it's got a little bit of form to it. Do the same with the other 5. Snap. Snap, squeeze, snap, snap. I really am snapping. This is all you're doing. You can do that, you got it. Squeeze, snap, squeeze, snap. Do that 5 times, or to the 5 balloons I should. I guess you're doing it 10 times. Snap, snap, snap. Sometimes it'll pop, but no big deal. So you see how it gives it more definition? Gives it a little bit more character. And there it is, you're done. All you do now is just arrange the balloons and then place it on somebody's head. And that is a New Year's Eve holiday balloon. So there it is, easy to make. People love it. The colors just give it that extra burst and people just want it. Hopefully you'll use it for your line work. So if you like this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Lots more videos coming up in 2019. Happy 2019, everybody. And remember to keep it amazing.